First, take a look at this YouTube channel. It has only 44 uploaded videos, but already has 349K subscribers and around 11.6 million views. As you can see, many of its videos have gone viral and received millions of views. This channel is also in English. And as I've mentioned before, English CPM is higher than any other language. Now the question is this channel monetized or not? To check that, I opened Social Blade and pasted the channel name. You can see that the channel is monetized, and its estimated monthly income is between 503 8.1K, which is quite impressive. You can also create similar videos easily. I'll teach you the complete method for free. Just make sure to watch the full video without skipping any part. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube channel related to the story or video you want to create. I'll open that channel and then click on any one of the stories. After clicking, I'll copy the title of that story. Just like you can see here, I'm copying this story's title. Next, I'll open ChatGPT, paste that title there, and write this along with it. Give me top 5 idea of this, and please give me new idea. ChatGPT will give you 5 of the best and most creative ideas. As you can see, these are really amazing suggestions. You can choose anyone that you like the most, and if you think all of them are good, then simply type this on ChatGPT. Please give me one of the best in this. Then ChatGPT will give you the best option out of all, the one that's most likely to go viral. It will also create a complete story for you. As you can see, ChatGPT said that idea number 1 is the best, so I'll copy that idea. After copying it, I'll paste it back into ChatGPT and write, please write a 400-word story. ChatGPT will then generate a 400-word long story for you. You can also choose a longer story, like 500 or 800 words, depending on your preference. Once the story is ready, I'll type the next step command like this. Now please give me 10 image prompt in detailed ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT will create the best and most detailed image prompts for your story. These prompts will be high quality and perfectly matched to your content. If the image prompts look too simple, don't worry. When you get around 10 image prompts, you just need to write this line. These 10 image prompts in semi-realistic digital illustration, Ghibli-inspired style, must be included. After that, ChatGPT will generate AI images exactly according to your channel's theme and style. Realistic, creative, and perfectly detailed. ChatGPT said now we'll start creating images, and for that, we'll use 2 websites that can generate the best quality AI images. The first website is Leonardo.ai. It's an amazing and powerful platform for creating realistic, detailed, and professional AI images. It's completely free to use and gives incredible results for any type of image you want to create. Leonardo.ai is a fantastic website for creating AI images. First, open the site and make sure to set the size to 16.9 and write FOX 1.0 in the model section. Then, paste your prompt just like I'm doing. After a few moments, the image will start generating. You'll need to paste your prompts one by one, and after all prompts are generated, you'll see how amazing and detailed the images look. That's how you can easily create AI images on this website using prompts from ChatGPT. Finally, download the images you like best directly from Leonardo.ai. Now the AI images have been created on Leonardo.ai, as you can see. But if your credits are finished, don't worry when credits run out. We'll use another great free website to make AI images. That website is called PicLumen. It's one of the best platforms for generating high-quality AI images completely free of cost. So, when your Leonardo.ai credits end, just switch to PicLumen.com and continue creating amazing AI images without any interruption. The second website we'll use for creating AI images is called PicLumen, a truly amazing and powerful AI image generator. Let's open PicLumen.com. It's perfect for making realistic Pixar style or story-based AI images. Click on Create. Then select the size. We'll choose 16.9 for video format. Now, copy the image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box on PicLumen. Perfect results. Once done, your AI images will be ready on both Leonardo.ai and PicLumen. You can see how stunning and detailed they look. Truly professional quality results. Next step. Now we'll create AI voice. Now here's how to do it. Now we'll create the AI voice. And we'll do it 100% free using a tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech, one of the best platforms for generating realistic AI voices. This tool lets you create AI voices for free and even generate AI images if you want. To use it, go to Unlimited AI Tools. It gives daily free credits, so you can generate voices anytime. If you can't find the tool, just comment below, and I'll share the link for you. Now I've opened the AI text-to-speech generator. Next, I'll copy my text, the story prompt from ChatGPT, and paste it into the text box here. Then, I'll select any voice. There are many options like Blaze and Alex, which sound the most natural. But for this demo, I'll just pick one to show you how it works. Click on Generate, and remember, you can generate up to 1,000 words per voice clip. So if your story is longer, just split it into 4 parts, generate each part separately, and then combine them. And now your AI voice is ready and you can hear it. This is how easily you can create professional quality AI narration for free.
Everyone was excited. Friends cheered him on. Investors showed interest. His parents believed he'd make it big. But
next, we'll move to making the full AI video. Now the AI images are ready, and we can create videos just like that YouTube channel, the one that made complete videos using only images. But I suggest something better. Instead of using only images, add a little AI video movement. For example, make a 2-minute AI video with smooth motion or animation. Don't rely on still images alone. If you include AI video clips too, your video will look more attractive and professional. Digen.ai is an excellent and powerful website for making AI videos. When you sign up, it gives you about 300 free credits, which is enough to make roughly 10 videos. After that, it also gives daily free credits so you can keep creating AI videos easily. Right now, my account shows 4,200 plus credits because I've logged in many times over several days. That's why I can make so many videos. Even if you don't use it every day, Digen.ai keeps adding credits automatically, just like it did for my account. Now we'll create an AI video on this amazing website. First, click on Create, then go to Upload and upload your first image. After that, paste the prompt of the first image and click Generate. Your video will start processing automatically. Next, upload the second image, paste its prompt, and click Generate again. It may take a little time, but in this way, you can create 2 videos together. Within 10 to 15 minutes, your AI videos will be ready and look fantastic. This is how the AI video has been created. You can see it looks absolutely amazing. Now let's do the final settings in CapCut. Open CapCut and import all your images. After adjusting the settings, select the first image and choose an animation style. I'll select one, for example. Next, go to Effects and search for 3D Zoom. Once you find it, click to apply the one that looks best. This will add a smooth zoom in and zoom out motion to your image. Do the same for the next image. Select Animation, then go to Effects, and again apply 3D Zoom. You can also add one more image at the end to make the video smoother. This way. Next, I'll add the audio voice to my video. After that, click on Text, then select Auto Captions to automatically generate subtitles for your voice. Once that's done, go to Templates. You'll see a variety of text styles appear. I'll choose one that I often use because it looks clean and professional. As you can see, the AI voice and captions are now perfectly synced. You can also create a complete video just like this. Fully AI generated, high quality and professional. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll bring another amazing video next time. Thanks for watching.